So in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how you can transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance. So peradventure, if you actually have fund in your OKX account and you actually reside in Nigeria, it is the best time for you to actually transfer all your money because OKX is actually shutting down in Nigeria very soon. So for you to do that, it's very simple and very straightforward. So all you have to do is to come to this asset option, then you are going to click on this withdraw option over here, and it's going to load up. So as you can see, there are two options for you to actually withdraw your money from OKX. So the first one is withdraw crypto, transfer crypto to wallet. We are going to click on this option and you are going to find USDT from the option. So these are the wallet, these are the fund I actually have. I have USDT, OKB, Avive and ICE. So I'm actually want to withdraw my USDT. So I'm going to click on withdraw USDT over here. Then I'm going to choose on-chain transfer. So if you actually want to transfer from OKX to another OKX, this transfer is free, but we actually want to transfer it to Binance. So we are going to choose on-chain transfer over here, and it's going to load up interface for us to actually copy our wallet address. So as you can see, we have to get our USDT wallet address over here. So we are going to go over to Binance. Then you are going to go over to this wallet option over here. Then it's very simple. So as you can see, there's overview, there is spot trading. So I'm going to actually go to the spot trading, then click on deposit. So you are going to click on this deposit option over here. As you can see, it's actually in cash. So you are going to go back to crypto. Then you are going to find USD from the option. So if you don't have USD in the option, you can search for USDT over here. It's very simple. So as you can see, USDT, and you're going to click on it. So these are the network you can actually use. You can use Big 20, but this one is very expensive. So you have to choose TRC20 because that is one of the cheapest one from the option. So you are going to find TRC20. So I'm going to locate TRC20. As you can see, TRC20. I'm going to choose this particular network, then copy the wallet address from Binance, then come over to OKX. So I'm going to paste the wallet address I copied from Binance to OKX. So paste. So, and as you can see, it's going to automatically find out the network. As you can see, withdrawal network is TRC20, and I think it should be able to cost us 1 USD for this particular transaction. So due to the fact that I actually want to withdraw everything in my USDT balance in OKX, so I'm going to click on mass over here. As you can see, there's 14.89 USDT to be withdrawn. So all I have to do right now is to actually click on submit. So one important thing to notice, because you actually want to withdraw all your funds from OKX to another exchanger, because OKX actually shut it down anytime soon. So ensure that you have the total amount you have in your trading balance. So you can choose either trading balance or funding balance. So the total amount I have is in my trading balance. So I'm going to click on submit over here to actually withdraw this fund to my Binance account. So I'm going to click on confirm again. Then I'm going to send OTP to my email address and also OTP to my phone number. So let me send for the email address and also send for the phone number. So as you can see, it has been sent for the email, so also send for the phone number. So actually it's very simple to actually do this transaction. It's very simple. So let me check for the email. So this is for the email. I'm going to go over to the email, then copy the OTP over here. So this is the OTP. Copy, then come over to OKX. So I'm going to paste the OTP for the email. So this is the OTP for the email, then paste. Then the next thing I have to do is to go over to my phone number to actually copy the OTP that have been sent to my phone number. So as you can see, it has been sent to my phone number. So I'm actually going to copy the OTP. So this is the OTP for the phone number. Copy, then come over to OKX. So this is the OKX wallet. So I'm going to paste it over here, paste, then confirm. So and this transaction is going to be completed automatically because we actually enter our credentials. So as you can see, we just submitted. So you can actually view your transaction details. So let's view these transaction details to show you what we are going to get. So for actually transferring this 14, they actually charge us 1 USDT for this particular transaction, and it's going to take like 15 minutes for us to actually receive it in our Binance account. So I'm going to pause this video, wait for a little bit, and actually continue when I've received the fund.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for about 15 minutes or so, as you can see, the withdrawal has been sent successfully. So let's go over to our Binance account to actually see if we actually receive the fund or not. So we're going to locate Binance over here, Binance. So I'm going to show you exactly what is possible. So as you can see, I'm going to go back completely, then actually refresh my account. So as you can see, there is deposit of 13.88 USDT that I actually received right now. So for you to actually do the transfer from OKX to Binance is very simple and very easy. So it's going to add it to your account successfully. So let me go back to wallet to show you if I have actually received it or not. So as you can see, USDT deposited and it has not reflected. So USDT of 13.89 has been deposited to my Binance account. So if you actually like this video, ensure you give it a thumbs up so that it will actually encourage me to make more video like this to show you some simple tutorial about crypto and different airdrop that is just going to be listed on time. So ensure you subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye.